Ciao, mi chiamo Fernando, io sono studiante di italiano con il professor Enrico. I started studying Italian when I was in elementary school and in high school for a total of 9 years, long time ago. And now because of work, there's a potential opportunity that I might need to use Italian language. So after doing some searching on the web, I found language trainers, found amazing reviews, and I signed up for online classes, and I was assigned Professor Enrico, which is amazing. Very patient, very knowledgeable. He's been able to help me refresh all the grammatic and language knowledge that I have learned many years ago. Right now, I'm studying 3-4 times per week with Professor Enrico. I'm studying verbs, prepositions, articles, and all that fun stuff that is very helpful to make sure that you learn to speak, understand, write language properly. I completely recommend not just language trainers, but also Professor Enrico because he's been very good, and I look forward to continue studying with him and with this company. Thank you. Arrivederci.